Hello everyone, Jim DeRocher. Hope you're doing well. It's October of 2022 and we are in a bear market. What is a bear market and how long does it last? Generally, the stock market is said to have entered a bear market when a broad index, such as the S&P 500, spends at least 2 months at 20% or more below its previous peak. So when the stock market is down 20% or more. When people talk about bear markets, they're usually referring to a general drop in stock prices across the stock market. But they can exist for other asset classes such as bonds as well. They don't have to be that broad either. Sometimes a single sector or commodity can be experiencing its own bear market while the prices of other securities and other asset classes are actually going up. Bear markets have lasted anywhere from a few weeks to several years, and no one can predict with certainty when a bear market will end. Historically, bear and bull markets have not appeared on a regular schedule, and actually far from it. For example, the bear market of 2020 was the first one the S&P 500 had experienced since 2009. And the next bear market appeared less than 2 years later. So what do bear markets mean for investors? Well, to decide what you should be doing in a bear market, it's best to consider, of course, your individual situation. If you're investing to meet long-term financial goals, it may make sense to hold steady during a bear market. And that's because the stock market has historically increased over the long run. Selling when prices are low risks selling at a loss, while staying in lets you participate in the rising prices of a potential recovery. For some, it might even be a good time to add to your investments. In that case, consider dollar cost averaging, a popular investment strategy in which you contribute a set amount of money to your portfolio at regular intervals, like every month. This negates the risk of trying to time the market. The inevitability of market downturns is why investors build diversified portfolios in the first place. It makes it less likely that your entire portfolio will be experiencing a downturn at the same time. We can help you decide what a particular bear market means for you, your overall plan, and whether you need to change your approach. Please feel free to reach out to us now. Thank you.